If your Pure Enrichment heating pad shows a flashing F error, produces no heat, or the controller isn't responding, a simple reset can often solve these problems. Here's the complete reset process that will clear temporary errors and re-establish proper connections. Step 1. Turn off your heating pad completely and unplug it from the electrical outlet. This cuts all power to the device. Step 2. If your heating pad has a detachable controller, disconnect it from the pad. This ensures a complete power cycle. Step 3 is crucial. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. This waiting period allows the internal systems to fully discharge and clears any temporary errors or faults. After waiting, reconnect the controller securely to the heating pad. Make sure all connections are firm and properly seated. Next, plug the heating pad back into a working electrical outlet. Avoid using extension cords or power strips if possible. Finally, turn on the heating pad and test it. The reset should have cleared any error codes and restored normal operation. This power cycling method resolves most common heating pad issues by clearing temporary faults and re-establishing proper electrical connections throughout the system. If your heating pad reset didn't resolve the issue, we need to check the power supply first. Start by ensuring the plug is securely inserted into the outlet. Try plugging the heating pad into a different outlet to rule out power issues. Avoid using extension cords or power strips as they can cause power instability. Next, perform a thorough physical inspection. Check the cord and connectors for any visible damage like frayed wires or broken plugs. Also examine the heating pad itself. Make sure it's completely flat and not folded or bunched up. Check for any tears, burns, or permanent creases in the fabric. If you see a flashing F on the display, this typically indicates a connection problem. The control connector may not be properly connected to the pad connector. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, contact Pure Enrichment customer support. Your heating pad comes with a comprehensive 5-year warranty. Finally, remember these important safety tips to prevent future issues. Never fold the heating pad excessively. Avoid using pins that could damage internal wiring, and never wash the pad in water. Instead of washing, simply wipe the heating pad clean with a damp cloth. Proper care will help ensure your heating pad provides safe, effective heat therapy for years to come.